And now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Waltz gold level routine with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Now let's look once again, but this time from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Very good. And now let's look at same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with preparation step. We dance natural spin turn, which consists of 3 steps of natural turn and then spin turn itself. We continue with turning lock to right and finish in promenade position. From here we dance wing, man dances 1 step, lady 3 steps. We continue with progressive chasse to right, and then outside change, which we finish in closed position. From here outside step into running spin turn, which consists of 3 steps of natural turn, natural pivot and open natural turn. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. So again we take close hold and start with preparation step, moving diagonally to wall, into 3 steps of natural turn, which is part of natural spin turn, and then natural spin turn itself, its overturn version. We finish backing down line of dance and continue turning lock, which we finish in promenade position, moving diagonally to center with wing, then step on lady's left side into progressive chasse. We move diagonally to center, then outside change, which we finish diagonally to wall, and dance outside into running spin turn, which we finish backing diagonally to wall in new line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.